Evie, can you dance with Lila? Can you show Evie how you dance? Sorry, can you show Lila how you dance, Evie? Lila, that's so good.
That's how I do it. It's my favorite.
Okay, Evie, let's see your dance. Let's see Evie's dance move. Evie, show me your dance.
I just twirled right along. That's how I was holding onto everything.
You did. Can you show me again? But can you do it over there? Yeah.
Yeah, this corner. That's my favorite dance.
That was great.
Do you want to see my dance again?
I do.
This is my dance shirt.
Evie, show us your dance.
Evie, me cheese.
But show us your dance, too. Can you show me your dance move?
Evie and me are going to practice dancing. Here, I'll dance.
Okay, show me.
Okay. So, the first thing is this. Put one leg up and then twirl. That's how you do it.
Okay.
So, watch this.
That was great. That was so good.
Let me show you my dance again.
Okay. Beautiful. Evie, I want to see you dance. Can you go dance with Lila?